Good morning, children. This is the video for CS workbook activity. In this video, we are going to discuss about workbook activity number 6. It's a simple activity. I hope you can understand. You can do this activity. So let me explain about the activity. Here, we got 3 power 5 is 24. Sorry, 243. Can you guess the power to which the number has to be raised to give answer? It's like what power of 3 is 243. So here you have to understand 3 power 5. So we have to calculate 3 power 5. Its expansion of 3 5 is you have to write 3 into 3 and again into 3. So 3 times we have to multiply the 3 power 5. The final answer is 243. Just work on it. Take on pencil notebook. 3 into 3 into 3 into the right 5 times and multiply it. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 3 and so on it goes on. So final value of 3 power 5 is 243. So here we are finding the value of power value. So like that, here we have to find, it's like what power of 3 is 243. So we know the 3 power of 5 answer is 243. So here they're asking question, it's like what power of 3 is 243. So we got answer, final answer and 3. So power value we have to find here. So the 5 is answer here. So like that you will answer as 5. Simple is not it. So finally, so verify in MS Excel 2010. So here we have to enter these data in MS Excel and we have to find the power value using formulas in MS Excel. So this is the activity. Children, if you have a system in your home, open MS Excel activity and create 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns in MS Excel. Enter the column headings as number, operator, power and answer. So create this table and enter these values under enter the power operator. So we have to find the power. Okay, so using formulas we can get power. So answer is 729. We have to find which value has to come in power column. Okay, so we have to find the power value. 3 power 5 is 243. Okay, so we have to find which power value we have to put in 3 power and finally we get the answer 729. So like that we have to find the answer. Okay, so pi power, which value has to come here and the final value will be 625. So 7 power and power value and 2401. So like that we have to find all the power values here. It's a simple activity. I hope you can do this activity in manually or MS Excel. Okay, so just try on it. You can understand. If you have any doubts, ask me. I will explain again. Okay, the power of value we are in finding here. So just the step 1 we have to do what multiplication. Okay, so 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 3 and multiply it. Okay, so and again you multiply it. So like that you can multiply the same value and how many times of we have to put the values of power of value. So answers we have to write here. So this is the first tabular column. You have to write answer this workbook activity. Okay, so write the answers, try it. If you have any doubts, ask me. I will help you to do this activity. Understand? Let me explain the next table. It's a simple arithmetic operators we have to find here. So 19 minus 19 minus 2 or 19 minus 12. Okay, something. So we have to find the value of difference values and we have to division values and modulus values we are finding here. It's a simple activity. You can do this activity. So just read the observe this table and look at the values here. You can find the answer. So first one, 19 minus which value we have to put here? The answer will be 7. So 19 minus 12, the answer will be 7. 7 power value, or you have to something which operator has to put here. Okay, so like that we have to get a final answer 343. 729 division of which value has to come? Answer will be 81. So it's a simple arithmetic operators and division operators and power operators, simple mathematical activity. So do this activity. I hope you can do this activity. Okay, use MS Excel sheet to find the answers, or you can do manually. This is the sales report activity. There are 6 different companies who are involved in the sales of particular products. The sales made by these 6 companies in terms of the number of units sold by each of them is stated in the form of table here. Also verify with the Excel. Study the table carefully to answer the questions that follow. It's a simple activity, children. Observe the table, read the table. It's a sales report, the company and year they have given here. We have to which year? 1997. The company L, M, and O. Okay, and they have given some values. We have to observe this table and we have to answer the questions below. Okay, so let me read the questions. This is the one sales report. We have to write the answers from the finding the values from this table. Okay, so children, take this workbook page activity in workbook and observe the table first and understand the table what they have given the data. Understand about the data and analysis. Data analysis you have to do. You can in your mind just to calculate, just try the filtering values, analysis, comparing values, something, and read the questions. You can answer these questions. Okay, so let me explain the questions here. Let me read the questions what they are asking. So here the first question: which company had the maximum sales over the years? So we have to see the answer. The which company had the maximum sales over the years? So you have to just find the value, the company name, and the sales over the highest value in the table. Okay, so just look at the table, you can find the answer. Highest value and the average value of sales report we are finding here. Find the average number of products in sold year of 1999. So look at the column of in the year of column 1999. Find the average number of products. Find the average. We have to calculate the average. The vessel 99 column 1 we have to add and put the average. Add the values and divide number of rows in that column. Just do it. How many companies have increased their sales in the year 2001 as compared to the 2000? We have to compare 2000 year sales and 2001 year sales. Okay, just manually you can calculate it, or you can, you have a system in your home, just enter data, you can calculate it, you can count it simply. Fourth question: which company has sold the least number of units over the years? Here we have to find the least number of units over the years. We have to find the lowest value from this table. Okay, so this is the simple questions are asked here. Just look at the table, understand, observe the table data, highest value and finding average value and least value. Okay, writing the company name and row number and column number. It's a simple activity, children. Try, you can do, you can answer in your workbook. Give your answers in your book neatly. Write the date of worksheet, which date we are doing this activity, and the top corner of the worksheet. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. You can inbox to my personal WhatsApp. I will again explain this concept. Okay, so it's a simple mathematical activities you are doing to do this week. Complete it and submit it your notebooks when you are submitting notebooks to your school. Okay, so take a snapshot and submit to WhatsApp. Okay, so any doubts you can ask me. I will help you to complete this activity. Understand? Okay, so don't be defaulters, and those who are not completed their homeworks, previous homeworks, complete it and submit it or you will lose your internal assessment marks for CS subject. Okay, so don't be defaulters, do your work on time and submit it on time. Okay, so you can ask me any doubts or completing this activity. I'll help you for right answers this activity. And attend the live sessions regularly and get interact with teachers. You can speak to teachers, you can get in touch with teachers about your subject concepts and other matters. Okay, so don't absent in attending live sessions.